What's up, everyone? Steltron Live. I know it's been a while since my last video, and the reason for that is that I've been on travel the last week and a half or so. I've been really busy with work, and also just I've been testing a lot of maps out, new campaigns out from the SE2 Mapster. So in this video, this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show some tips and tricks that I've learned while basically me learning how to use the map editor. So in this video, I'm going to cover how to reduce loading times while testing your map out. I'm going to show you how and what the StarCraft editor console is, as well as a spell checker that you can do for any dialogue or anything else that you created for your map. So the first things first, so we have this map. I'm going to go ahead, test the document out. We're going to watch it open up. There's going to be a reasonable amount of loading that takes place. Nothing too crazy. And there we go. So now, to reduce the loading time, what you want to do, don't close out of the current game. Just Alt-Tab back to your editor, and then make your changes. So let's go ahead. Let's just move Rainer around. We can move a couple of these Marines. Make your changes. Anything else you want to do, anything else in the data editor or whatnot you want to do, go ahead and save it. And now when you test the map out, just give it a second, you're going to see that it's going to load much quicker than last time. And you have the changes.
What's up?
So that's just an easy way to reduce loading times while you're testing a map. So instead of ending the game, just keep it open. I'll tab back to the editor, make the changes, save, test map, and especially for maps that have a lot of mods or units, doodads, whatnot, it should save a lot of time. Okay, so on to the next tip. So if you go to Window and then Console, you get this console. So you might be asking, what in the world do I put in this? So basically what you just do, just type help, and it'll show you all the commands that you can type into this console that'll actually do something in the editor. So here are your commands. If you do 2 exclamation points, it'll repeat the last command, which was help. So it'll just show all this again. BNet login, you can log into BattleNet using settings from preferences. So you can log into BattleNet through the editor. Some other things, you can file count directory. You can count the total number of files contained within a given directory on disk. What else? Difference, you put the first and second file. You can compare the differences between 2 files. Another thing that might be useful to show is system memory usage statistics. So you should just type sysmem, press enter, just ignore the warning. Here you go. So you get memory load 31%, and you'll get different, basically on the memory that you're using. There's also some other memory things. Memwin. What that does, it shows the usage statistics window. So there you go. You get some just little statistics on the memory, and there's quite a few other things. I recommend just going through this, looking through it. It's nothing too important, but I mean it's interesting to look at. It can be helpful. Let's go ahead and close this. Okay, so now to spell checking. So I know a lot of maps that I've played have been by, either non-native English speakers or people whose just spelling isn't that great. And honestly, it's not really that big a deal to have your spelling exactly right. But if you're going for a professional, Blizzard quality map, you're going to want your spelling, your dialogue to be correct. You're not going to want any glaring spelling mistakes. So basically, to check the spelling, just go to text. And then here it's going to show all the text, either in dialogue that you've created, triggers, unit names, stuff like that. So let's, for example, here's a dialogue we created with a trigger for one of the, I think a cutscene or something. So you can see come in, that's not spelled correctly. Yeah, that's not in the English dictionary. Just to show this, let's just erase the E on welcome. Let's go ahead and save. And then to check spelling, you just do Control-Shift-K. And then here are your spell check results. So it's not as user-friendly as Microsoft Word. So it shows what's incorrectly spelled. So coming, but if you click on it, it's not going to show you the correct way to spell it. So, if you know there should be a G at the end of that. That's not that big a deal. But for example, welcome. It can be something easily that you're typing fast. You miss a letter, or a letter or two here and there. So this is just easy way, instead of looking through all this, to make sure that every single your spelling is correct. Just open up the text, Shift-Control-K, and you can quickly look through. If you're unsure how to spell something and it's showing that you spelled it wrong, just go to Google, type it in, something like that. There's a lot of resources online that can help you out. But anyways, that should be it. I expect to have another video tomorrow about how to add custom doodads to the editor. So look forward to that, and hope everyone's having a good day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.